Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Dani, and subscribe, join the family. I've been posting consistently. I've been on my A game, and I'm filming this in September, and hopefully this is dropping the first day of October. But hi, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a September favorites video. These are things that I've been loving in September, using a lot, been eating, consuming, etc, etc, etc. So I want to show you guys the things that I've been loving this month. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to talk about are shoes. Now please don't judge me, but these first pair of shoes, I've been wearing them every single day. Like, I've broken them in, and I think I need to take them to a cobbler for them to be repaired or just to look more presentable. But they are my Chanel Mary Janes. Look at these Mary Janes. Look at these Mary Janes. Oh my gosh. But I love them. They are dirty though. Like, so dirty. The front is peeling. The sides are dirty. I need to get them clean, but I love these. These are my beater shoes. These are my upscale flats. They're white, but they look, don't even tell me about them. I want to get a black pair of these, but I love these so much. These are my upscale shoes. I got them in a size, I want to say 37 and a half. Maybe I would go for a 38 because after I finish wearing them, they're kind of like tight. But the reason why they look like this is I wore them in the rain twice. So that was my problem. I didn't know it was raining. I was in Soho. I looked cute, and then it started pouring, and I had to wear them in the rain. But these are now my beater shoes. They are broken into, and I love them. I love wearing these shoes. I got them over the summer, and yeah, I wear those every day. Like, talk about cost per wear. I think I've already gotten my cost per wear out of it. So yeah, it's basically free now. Now, the next pair of shoes I also got this summer are my Celine sandals, but I've been wearing them more recently in the fall time. I had like an injury to my toe, so I couldn't really wear like open toe sandals or shoes this summer, but I've been wearing them. It's not fully cold in New York yet, but I've been able to wear these, and I've just been so happy that I got to wear them. They are so cute. I got them over the summer, and I think you guys probably saw it in my summer haul if you don't follow me on social media, but these are so cute. They're comfortable. It's actually, I think I posted a video like a day in my life, and I walked so much that day, didn't hurt at all. Like, you'd think, okay, there's no support, it's uncomfortable, very comfortable. The only thing, they're slightly big, but I didn't mind that because they have some type of elastic right here. I was just gonna take them to like a shoe person to just adjust them, but I've been wearing them without it because I was like, let me just wear them. The only thing is, the same thing with the Chanel, like the actual logo of the name is coming off, and I don't know if that's just because of moisture or that's how shoes are. I'm not quite sure, but those have been my two favorite shoes in September. I want to get a couple more. I want to get the Chanel rain boots. I already have Hunter rain boots, but I feel like Chanel rain boots are just iconic, right? Anyways, let's get on to other categories. My DJI was stolen or lost or somewhere, I don't know. But I went on eBay and I got a DJI because I was like, like, I use this thing way too much and I love it. So I had to get another DJI. So that's why it's been in my September favorites. I've been vlogging with this. I love this so much. A lot of people complain, but honestly, the DJI quality to me is great. You just got to play around with it. And this is the perfect pocket-sized camera. I love it so much. I'm taking it with me on vacation. You can also add a mic, different extensions. Love this camera. Let me show you guys how it works if you're not familiar, but you just like take it off the case and then you flip it and then you're able to see yourself, which is so cool. Like, love it so much. You have to be careful. I've heard people say like the gimbal, so don't like throw this around, you know. I mean, if you got the money to buy another one, you know, but I wouldn't play around with this. I also got the protection. I think anything that I spend over a certain amount, I always get the 2-year protection warranty just as a precaution because you're able to get replacements, get it fixed, and I also keep it in this pouch. But I love it. It's small, convenient, works perfectly. Now, this is, I wouldn't say this camera is like the newest or latest thing. It's something that I rediscovered, but it's my Sony camcorder handheld one. I love this. It has a projector here, which is really cool, but it gives such a vintage like feel and vibe to it. I absolutely love this camera. The audio is pretty good. The quality is great. It gives it a vintage feel. Let me do like a quick recording so you guys can see. Hi guys, I'm currently filming my September favorites video. So I want to show you guys, ignore the boxes over there if you can see it, but love, love, love. Alright, so I just did a quick little video to just insert on the screen for you guys, but I like it. It gives that like vintage VHS feel, which I really love. I went to Jamaica in August and was using it so many times. So recently rediscovered this and I like the feel. So, you know, you don't have to put a filter over it. You can actually work with, you know, something like this. I might also include some clips from when I was in Jamaica, but I love this camcorder. I was trying to find it online. I will link everything down below that I love if I'm able to find links for it. But this is a camcorder that is, you know, just coming with me on vacation and at travel. So absolutely love this camcorder. Next, let's get into the beauty. So there's not really a bunch of things that's like piqued my interest in beauty recently, but I love, well, I've always loved Eden lip balms, but this is their new one. This is the Le Chouchou lip softening balm in Croissant au Beurre, and I love this. Like, I love the gold specks. There's a, I believe, a croissant, a chocolat one, but that one does not look good on me, like, at all. So I love the croissant one. I wish it did have more of like a croissant like smell. It smells like the regular one, the butter mochi, but love this. I love the gold too, so I'm gonna get some more of these. I don't know if it's out of stock yet. It came out like in September, but they're limited edition, so hopefully they still have some more. For setting sprays, it's like really hit or miss for me because like I like the one size, I like certain setting sprays, but I think there are two setting sprays that I actually really love. But this one that Charlotte Tilbury came out with is amazing. It's their new Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray Matte Blur. It's the way it mattifies, smooths, and sets all day, so shake to activate. Love this, love this. I'm going to get a full-size bottle. I need to re-up on my regular one, and those are the two setting sprays I've been using daily, like, I mean, recently, and I love it. Like, look at my makeup. It looks great. It looks matte. It doesn't look too oily. I'm such an oily girl, especially in the summertime. It's starting to get a little cooler, but it's still hot. There's still some hot days, but this comes in handy. Now I'm gonna see what this is like in the wintertime. My skin tends to change in the wintertime because it just gets colder, dry, so I don't know if I'll be using this, but as of right now, I love it. It's good. Oily girls, this is oily girl approved for sure. Next is our body skincare fragrance section. So the first thing that I've gotten, and it was pretty new, is this Cyclar Milky Essence. This is so great. Like, we've heard of like milky glaze and milky essence for your face or for your body. Oh my gosh, love, love, love. These are I really love the Cyclar Ceramide Milky Essence. I've been using this recently, and honestly this could really replace a moisturizer or a body lotion, but I love this. It makes my body feel so smooth, so soft. I use it like as soon as I get out of the shower. Absolutely love her. Next I have is my Josie Maran body butter. This is in the unscented version. I love Josie Maran, but all their other scents are just no. If you haven't really liked Josie Maran, I think that you need to try their unscented one because that is their best scent they have. So just get the unscented one. I don't really like any of their other scents. I think this one works really well, and I love it so much. It's so moisturizing. I'm like literally almost done to the bottle. I've had this, I knew, like, I don't want to say this is something new that I had, but this is something that I've been recently loving. Look how empty that is. Like, oh my gosh, love, love, love. I love perfumes. I have so many perfumes, and this Dossier perfume, this is Call Me Vanilla. Absolutely love this. Like, it smells great, and like, I'm not a big vanilla girl. First of all, there are very few vanilla scents that I like, but this smells amazing. And for me, I feel like some vanilla scents I have to layer and put other things. This can stand on its own. It's amazing. I don't know what they put in this, but it's gorgeous. It smells heavenly, warm, cozy, perfect for the fall time. I've been using this recently, and it's like more of a later September because I recently got this, like, I want to say a couple days ago, maybe even a week ago, but I love this. I went to the mall, saw there was a Dossier store. Never been in Dossier before. Want to try their fragrances, but it's like buying stuff online. It's like, okay, whatever. But Dossier, you did your big one with this one. The Call Me Vanilla. Oh, smells so good. Love it so much. Next, for skincare, I'm also a skincare snob. One thing I believe is your skincare is what makes your makeup great. Like, I'm telling you guys, your skincare brings out and enhances your makeup. So skincare is very important for me. And I feel like recently, or not recently, but I feel like a lot of people talk about masks or face masks. I'm like, okay, whatever. But this Biodance face mask, guys, oh my gosh, I absolutely love this. It gives my skin such a nice glow. Now, for me, like I said, I'm an oily girl. I don't like the oily look, but it gives a matte glow. I don't know how to describe it. It hydrates your skin, gives it such a nice glow and radiant. Like, oh my gosh, it is the Biodance Bio Collagen Real Deep Mask. It has probiotics, low molecular hyaluronic acid solution, low molecular collagen. It's hydrating, pore perfecting, and improves elasticity. Sorry, that was a mouthful. But I think I got like 2, and I had to get the set. I take this with me. I used it on the plane. I think the first time I used it was on the plane, and I was like, oh my gosh, what the actual heck? Like, what did they put in this? This is so good. And this is an overnight one, so you can just put it on at night. You got to put it on for at least, like, I would say 3 to 4 hours. So don't put it on like an hour before you have to go somewhere. Like, really put this on at nighttime so that you wake up feeling glowy and refreshed. But this one is amazing. They sell this at Sephora now, which is so exciting. It also has an expiration date as well, which is really great. I think it's so important that skincare has expiration dates, but it comes in a set of 4. So stop buying the individual ones and get the actual pack. I absolutely love this. It is amazing and so great for my skin. I love using this. I think I need to re-up and buy some more. But Biodance face collagen masks, amazing. Like, guys, believe the hype. Please believe the hype. So next is my miscellaneous section. This is just like some random things. But the first thing I have is this candle from Diptyque. This is ombre. It smells amazing. I've been putting this on my desk like while I'm doing work, and I can smell it. I haven't even lit it yet, but I want to light it so bad, but I'm waiting and holding off of it because this is my only like candle bottle, and I know I will finish this, but this smells so amazing. I think I want to get another candle and the reed diffuser version of this, but this smells amazing. Like, oh, it smells so good. Next is my favorite drink, Olipop. I love this. I know a lot of people talk about Poppy, but I love the Olipop orange squeeze. This is like my favorite one. I would say this, the lemon lime one, and then the ginger ale one. But Olipop is my favorite prebiotic drink. I don't drink soda that much anymore, unless it's like I'm eating out. But at home, I drink Olipop. So good. It has 5 grams of sugar or 4 grams of sugar. It's prebiotics, botanicals, and plant fiber. Supports digestive and immune health, which is great. Like, don't really drink a lot of sodas. I still kind of drink juice, but this is like my new thing. I can drink, honestly, 2 of these a day, but this is so good. And it's also good for your gut health, which I love. Now, lastly is this Color Wow texturizing spray. When I'm pretty sure everyone's seen the video of Berman Rock doing his hair, and I was like, oh my goodness, like, I need to get it. So picked this up at Sephora. I've been loving it ever since. It's added volume and texture to my curls, and when I just do my hair, love this product. I wish they had a small size, but this texturizing spray, chef's kiss. Absolutely love it. So those are all my September favorites. I've been really loving these products for September, and I just love making these videos because I like to inform you guys and let you guys know what are the best. I would never steer you wrong, ever. But I've been loving these for September, and I can't wait to see what I use in October. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.